All right, today we're going to work on the preposition with, W-I-T-H, with in English. It can be used to indicate accompaniment, as in with you, with me, with friends, with the team, with family. It can indicate manner or means, like with care, with love, with ease, with confidence, with enthusiasm. It can indicate agreement or support, as in with pleasure, with all due respect, with my blessing, with approval, with understanding. It can indicate association or connection, as in with regards to, with respect to, with a smile, with intent, with purpose. Some miscellaneous expressions with are, with, see what I did there? Are with open arms, with flying colors, with one voice, with bated breath, with a grain of salt, with the flow, with great power comes great responsibility, with all my heart, with good reason, with no strings attached. All right, so let's practice some sentences using the preposition with. So please try to repeat them after me and use the same prosody and, tone of voice, way I say it. So here we go. The manager discussed the project with the client yesterday. She's collaborating with a colleague on the marketing campaign. Please complete the form with a blue pen. He's working with the IT team to resolve the issue. The report was prepared with great attention to detail. I'll follow up with you about the status of the order. The team celebrated their success with a lunch outing. She presented her findings with confidence and clarity. The contract needs to be signed with a witness present. Please handle this file with care. It contains sensitive information. I'm coordinating with the logistics department for the delivery. The software update comes with several new features. The office was decorated with balloons for the celebration. I enjoy spending time with my friends on the weekends. She always approaches challenges with a positive attitude. He went to the party with his cousin. Let's discuss the plans with the group before deciding. The kids were playing with their new toys all afternoon. He greeted me with a warm smile when I arrived. She completed the painting with incredible skill and creativity. I prefer my coffee with milk and sugar. We went hiking with a guide to ensure safety. He arrived with flowers for her birthday. I spoke with my neighbor about the upcoming block party. The room was filled with laughter during the celebration. She answered the question with honesty and sincerity. All right, that's all for the preposition with. I hope that helped. If you liked it, please subscribe. Thanks.